What? I think that's B-Man's side. Look, there's a Mickey Mouse there. Look, but you're right there, Comer.
B-Man, look. You got Angry Bird. B-Man, look. You got a T-Rex.
And a Mickey Mouse, B-Man.
Yeah. Yay! Yay! Mommy!
Look, a hat.
Oh! Look!
Look at that.
Daddy!
Yes, the Braves baseball player.
Ooh!
What'd you get, B? Look, fireman.
Look! This is good.
B-Man, did you get a Mickey Mouse?
The astronaut Mickey Mouse?
Yeah, it is. I just saw it. Look, Mommy.
Yeah.
Look.
Ooh, B-Man, I think I see something like a Noche Buena